Top 25 Production Engineer Interview Questions and Answers. Preparing for a production engineer interview requires a strong understanding of manufacturing processes, technical problem solving, quality control, and operational efficiency. Employers look for candidates who can optimize production systems, reduce costs, maintain safety standards, and ensure consistent product quality. This guide provides carefully selected production engineer interview questions with professional sample answers to help candidates build confidence and structure their responses effectively. Whether you are a fresh graduate or an experienced professional, practicing these questions will help you demonstrate technical expertise, communication skills, and practical industry knowledge during your interview and improve your chances of securing the role. 1. Tell us about yourself as a production engineer. As a production engineer, I focus on improving manufacturing efficiency, reducing downtime, and ensuring quality production output. My background includes working with production planning, process optimization, and equipment performance monitoring. I collaborate with cross-functional teams such as maintenance, quality assurance, and supply chain to achieve production targets. I enjoy analyzing data to identify bottlenecks and implement solutions that increase productivity. I also prioritize safety compliance and continuous improvement initiatives. My goal is always to enhance operational performance while maintaining cost efficiency and delivering products that meet organizational and customer expectations consistently. 2. What are the main responsibilities of a production engineer? A production engineer is responsible for planning, coordinating, and supervising manufacturing processes to ensure efficient production. Key duties include optimizing workflows, reducing waste, maintaining equipment performance, and improving productivity. Production engineers also analyze production data, implement quality control systems, and ensure safety standards are followed. They collaborate with design, maintenance, and quality teams to resolve technical issues. Additionally, they focus on cost reduction, resource utilization, and continuous improvement initiatives. Their role bridges technical engineering knowledge with practical manufacturing operations to ensure smooth production and timely delivery of products. 3. How do you handle production downtime? Handling production downtime requires quick analysis and effective coordination. First, identify the root cause through equipment inspection, operator feedback, and production data analysis. I prioritize immediate corrective action to restore operations safely. After resolving the issue, I conduct root cause analysis to prevent recurrence, often using methods like the 5 whys or fishbone diagram. Preventative maintenance schedules and operator training are then updated if necessary. Communication with management and team members is essential to minimize losses. My approach focuses on reducing downtime duration while implementing long-term preventative solutions. 4. Explain your experience with production planning. Production planning involves balancing demand, resources, and production capacity. I analyze sales forecasts, inventory levels, and machine availability to create efficient production schedules. I coordinate with procurement to ensure raw material availability and with maintenance teams to avoid scheduling conflicts. Monitoring daily production performance helps me adjust plans when unexpected delays occur. I also use ERP systems and planning tools to track progress and optimize workflow. Effective planning minimizes idle time, reduces operational costs, and ensures on-time delivery, which ultimately improves customer satisfaction and overall plant productivity. 5. How do you ensure product quality during production? Ensuring product quality begins with standardized operating procedures and proper process control. I implement quality checkpoints throughout production rather than relying only on final inspection. Monitoring parameters such as temperature, pressure, and machine calibration helps maintain consistency. I work closely with quality assurance teams to analyze defects and implement corrective actions. Employee training and clear documentation also play important roles. Statistical process control tools allow early detection of variations. Continuous improvement practices ensure recurring problems are eliminated, maintaining high product standards while minimizing waste and rework costs. 6. What methods do you use for process improvement? I use structured methodologies such as lean manufacturing, Six Sigma principles, and Kaizen initiatives to improve processes. First, I collect production data and identify inefficiencies or bottlenecks. Then, I analyze workflow using value stream mapping and eliminate non-value-added activities. Implementing automation, optimizing machine setup time, and improving material flow are common strategies. Employee involvement is essential because operators often identify practical solutions. After implementing improvements, I measure performance using KPIs to confirm results. Continuous monitoring ensures sustainable improvements that enhance productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. 7. How do you manage production targets under tight deadlines? Managing tight deadlines requires effective prioritization and communication. I analyze production capacity and allocate resources strategically to critical tasks. Clear coordination with operators, maintenance teams, and supervisors ensures everyone understands priorities. I monitor production performance closely and address delays immediately. Sometimes I introduce overtime shifts or process adjustments to meet deadlines without compromising safety or quality. Maintaining motivation among team members is equally important. By combining planning, teamwork, and quick decision-making, I ensure production targets are achieved while maintaining operational efficiency and employee morale. 8. Describe your experience with manufacturing equipment. I have experience working with automated and semi-automated manufacturing equipment, including CNC machines, conveyors, and assembly systems. My responsibilities included monitoring machine performance, troubleshooting operational issues, and coordinating preventative maintenance activities. I analyze equipment efficiency using OEE metrics and recommend upgrades or adjustments when performance declines. Understanding machine parameters helps prevent defects and production delays. I also work closely with maintenance technicians to ensure equipment reliability. Proper equipment management improves productivity, reduces downtime, and extends machinery lifespan, contributing significantly to efficient production operations. 9. How do you maintain workplace safety in production? Workplace safety is a top priority in production environments. I ensure compliance with safety regulations by implementing risk assessments and safety audits regularly. Operators receive proper training on equipment handling, personal protective equipment, and emergency procedures. I encourage reporting of near-miss incidents to prevent accidents proactively. Machine guarding, proper housekeeping, and hazard identification are strictly maintained. Safety meetings and awareness programs reinforce safe behavior. By integrating safety into daily operations, rather than treating it as a separate activity, I help create a culture where productivity and employee well-being go hand in hand. 10. What is lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a methodology focused on eliminating waste while maximizing customer value. It aims to improve efficiency by reducing unnecessary movement, waiting time, excess inventory, defects, and overproduction. Techniques such as 5S, Kaizen, just-in-time production, and value stream mapping are commonly used. As a production engineer, I apply lean principles to streamline workflows, improve resource utilization, and enhance productivity. Lean manufacturing also promotes continuous improvement and employee involvement, helping organizations achieve higher efficiency, lower operational costs, and improved product quality. 11. How do you handle production defects? When defects occur, I immediately isolate affected products to prevent further quality issues. I analyze data, inspect machines, and review process parameters to determine the root cause. Collaboration with quality and maintenance teams helps identify whether the issue is material, machine, or human-related. Corrective actions are implemented quickly, followed by preventative measures, such as updated procedures or operator training. Monitoring defect trends ensures improvement effectiveness. My goal is not only to fix the problem, but to prevent recurrence while maintaining production efficiency and customer satisfaction. 12. Explain the importance of preventive maintenance. Preventative maintenance helps avoid unexpected equipment failures and production downtime. Regular inspections, lubrication, calibration, and part replacements ensure machines operate efficiently. As a production engineer, I coordinate maintenance schedules to minimize production disruption while maintaining equipment reliability. Preventative maintenance improves safety, extends machine lifespan, and reduces repair costs. Data from maintenance records also helps predict future failures. A proactive maintenance approach supports consistent production output and ensures that manufacturing operations run smoothly without costly emergency breakdowns. 13. How do you improve production efficiency? Improving production efficiency starts with analyzing workflow and identifying bottlenecks. I evaluate machine utilization, labor productivity, and material flow. Implementing automation, Reducing setup time and balancing production lines are effective strategies. Employee training and clear work instructions reduce errors and improve speed. I also track performance indicators such as cycle time and OEE to measure progress. Continuous improvement initiatives ensure sustainable results. Efficiency improvement ultimately reduces operational costs, increases output, and enhances overall manufacturing competitiveness. 14. What KPIs do you monitor in production? Key performance indicators in production include overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, production output, downtime, defect rate, cycle time, and on-time delivery performance. Monitoring these metrics helps evaluate operational efficiency and identify improvement areas. I regularly analyze KPI trends to detect deviations early and implement corrective actions. KPIs also support data-driven decision-making and performance evaluation. By aligning KPIs with organizational goals, production teams maintain focus on quality, productivity, and cost efficiency while ensuring continuous operational improvement. 15. Describe a challenging production problem you solved. In one project, frequent machine breakdowns reduced productivity significantly. I analyzed maintenance records and discovered inconsistent lubrication practices. After coordinating with maintenance staff, we introduced standardized preventative maintenance procedures and operator training. We also installed monitoring sensors to track machine performance. Within months, downtime reduced substantially, and productivity increased. The experience taught me the importance of root cause analysis and teamwork. Solving production challenges requires both technical expertise and effective communication across departments to achieve sustainable improvements. 16. How do you manage team coordination on the production floor? Effective team coordination requires clear communication and defined responsibilities. I conduct daily briefings to discuss production targets, safety reminders, and operational updates. Encouraging open communication allows operators to report issues quickly. I maintain close collaboration with quality, maintenance, and logistics teams to ensure smooth workflow. Conflict resolution and motivation are also important aspects of leadership. By fostering teamwork and mutual respect, production activities run efficiently and employees remain engaged in achieving organizational objectives. 17. What role does automation play in production engineering? Automation enhances productivity, accuracy, and consistency in manufacturing operations. Automated systems reduce human error, improve cycle times, and increase production capacity. As a production engineer, I evaluate processes suitable for automation and ensure proper integration with existing systems. Automation also improves workplace safety by reducing manual handling of hazardous tasks. Data collected from automated systems enables performance monitoring and predictive maintenance. Implementing automation strategically helps organizations remain competitive while maintaining high-quality standards and operational efficiency. 18. How do you reduce production costs? Reducing production costs involves optimizing resource utilization without compromising quality. I focus on minimizing material waste, improving energy efficiency, and reducing downtime. Lean manufacturing techniques help eliminate non-value-added activities. Supplier coordination and inventory optimization also contribute to cost savings. Process automation and preventative maintenance reduce long-term expenses. Regular performance analysis identifies areas for improvement. Cost reduction should always support sustainable productivity improvements rather than short-term compromises that may negatively impact product quality or operational reliability. 19. Explain Six Sigma in production engineering. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology aimed at reducing process variation and defects. It follows structured steps known as DMAIC: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In production engineering, Six Sigma helps identify root causes of inefficiencies and quality issues using statistical analysis. Implementing Six Sigma projects improves process stability, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. By focusing on measurable results and continuous improvement, organizations achieve higher productivity and reduced waste, making Six Sigma an essential tool for modern manufacturing environments. 20. How do you ensure compliance with industry standards? Compliance requires strict adherence to regulatory and organizational standards. I ensure proper documentation, regular audits, and employee training programs are implemented. Standard operating procedures align with industry regulations such as ISO quality standards. I work closely with quality assurance teams to maintain certification requirements. Monitoring processes and conducting internal inspections ensure compliance consistency. Maintaining accurate records and encouraging accountability among employees helps organizations meet legal requirements while sustaining product quality and operational credibility. 21. What software tools have you used in production engineering? I have worked with ERP systems, production planning software, CAD tools, and data analysis platforms. ERP systems help manage inventory, scheduling, and resource planning efficiently. CAD software supports process design and layout optimization. I also use data analysis tools such as Excel dashboards for performance tracking. Manufacturing execution systems assist in real-time production monitoring. These tools improve decision-making accuracy, streamline operations, and enhance communication between departments, contributing to efficient production management. 22. How do you manage inventory in production? Effective inventory management ensures materials are available without excessive stockholding. I coordinate with procurement and warehouse teams to maintain optimal inventory levels using demand forecasting and just-in-time principles. Monitoring consumption rates prevents shortages or overstocking. ERP systems help track inventory movement and generate reports. Regular audits ensure accuracy and reduce losses. Efficient inventory management supports uninterrupted production, reduces storage costs, and improves cash flow while maintaining supply chain efficiency. 23. How do you train production staff? Training production staff involves structured onboarding programs, hands-on demonstrations, and continuous skill development sessions. I ensure employees understand machine operations, safety procedures, and quality requirements. Visual work instructions and standard operating procedures help maintain consistency. I also encourage cross-training to increase workforce flexibility. Regular performance evaluations identify training needs. Investing in employee development improves productivity, reduces errors, and builds a knowledgeable workforce capable of adapting to technological and operational changes. 24. How do you handle pressure in a production environment? Production environments often involve tight schedules and unexpected challenges. I remain calm under pressure by prioritizing tasks and focusing on solutions rather than problems. Effective communication with team members ensures coordinated action during critical situations. I rely on data analysis and experience to make informed decisions quickly. Maintaining organized workflows and contingency plans helps manage stress effectively. Staying composed allows me to lead the team confidently and maintain productivity even during demanding production conditions. 25. Why should we hire you as a production engineer? You should hire me because I combine technical engineering knowledge with practical production experience. I am skilled in process optimization, quality control, and continuous improvement methodologies. I focus on achieving production targets while maintaining safety and cost efficiency. My collaborative approach helps build strong teamwork across departments. I am proactive in identifying problems and implementing sustainable solutions. With strong analytical skills and commitment to operational excellence, I can contribute to improving productivity, reducing waste, and supporting the organization's long-term manufacturing goals. A successful production engineer must balance technical expertise, problem-solving ability, leadership skills, and operational efficiency. Interview preparation plays a critical role in demonstrating these competencies effectively to employers. By practicing these production engineer interview questions and structured answers, candidates can confidently explain their experience, showcase analytical thinking, and highlight their contribution to manufacturing success. Remember to support your responses with real examples, measurable achievements, and a focus on continuous improvement. With strong preparation and clear communication, you can stand out as a capable production engineer ready to drive productivity and innovation in modern manufacturing environments.